Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, I am Radhika Agrawal and I make videos on fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle and much more. For that you need to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so guys, in today's video, I'm going to be removing this makeup thoroughly. I am from an oily skin type and I am like an acne prone skin girl. I hope it's a word. My skin is really sensitive. It's oily, it's acne prone, and if I don't take care of it, it blows up. Almost any time and every time, if I forget to remove my makeup, or even if I forget to clean my face at night, especially at night, I have breakouts all over the place, especially in my chin area, a little bit on right cheeks and my nose area. So T-zone, but still my right cheek. I don't know how, but this is the combination. So yes, I'm just going to tell you that if you are also from an oily skin type, or basically if you are a person who has bad skin, I won't say bad skin, but unhealthy skin, or maybe a problematic skin, a more appropriate word, then please keep on watching. So guys, you can see I've quickly changed into my PJ set and now I'm going to remove my makeup. So guys, step number 1 is always tie your hair. Your hair should not come on your face and just, interrupt the process. So first things first, I'm going to take this rubber band and tie my hair nicely. Woo. Step number 2, always wash your hands before touching your face. I know, right? We come home and we are in a hurry to just remove our makeup and hit the bed. But no, you have to make sure that before you clean your face, you should clean your hands so that you put your fresh, clean hands on your face and you don't do bad to your skin instead of doing good. So step number 3, here comes the most important decision of starting your routine. That how do you want to clean your face? Do you want to do just like a face wash and clean it, or do you need to do a double cleansing method, or do you need to do a triple cleansing method? We all know there are different methods coming in every time, but what I've been doing, and I've been doing this thoroughly without a fail from past 2 years or so, जब तक ये ट्रिपल क्लेंजिंग मेथड वाला फंडा आया भी नहीं था, सिंस तब से मुझे लगता था दिस इज व्हाट डबल क्लेंजिंग इट, बट आई वाज एक्चुअली डूइंग ट्रिपल क्लेंजिंग which works for me better, I would say, than double cleansing in when I've done a very heavy sort of a makeup. जब आपने हल्का फुल्का मेकअप करा है, then double cleansing is all right, but if you have a problematic skin, then there is no harm in going with one more procedure of just cleaning your face and not ripping the natural oils which your face has. Now you have to actually pick your products really cautiously and have to see that what should work for your skin. For a triple cleansing method, what I will personally do, and even for that matter double cleansing method, I will first go on with a cream based, oil based sort of a makeup remover. For that you can take any oils, there comes oils wash off oils when you massage your face and then it emulsifies with water and then you wash it off. One is that kind. The other one is your balms, which are also fantastic and are going super crazy in the market. You can pick any of the balms, take the Day Off balm from Clinique, and the oil one is Face Shop's rice water oil. Then Innisfree also has one oil, also Face Shop's All Shot Clear oil. I used to use that, I still have that, but I'm using this one from Face Shop, cream based product. It's this Herb Days cleansing cream, and this, what you have to do is you have to take a generous amount of this cream on your hands and then you have to massage your face really nicely, very gently. I have to take quite a bit of it and then just warm it up in between my fingers and then massage it all over my face. Don't forget your neck, guys. Your neck is equally important. So once I've massaged my face thoroughly, as you can see, all of my makeup has melted quite a bit, and now I'm just going to take this microfiber cloth and I'm just going to clean everything. You have to do this process really very gently and not just drag your skin, but just try to just pick up the remover. So guys, I've cleansed my face using that cream and microfiber cloth. Now I'm going to move to my second step, which is using a micellar water. So what is a micellar water? It's basically a makeup remover which is more gentle on your skin than any stripping off makeup oils or removers. So a micellar water is a must for me, as when days I'm not wearing any makeup or maybe just a little bit of makeup, I do not fail to use a micellar water to remove my sunscreen, to break down my little bit of makeup which maybe I've done that day, maybe just a lip tint or a cheek tint. So yes, now we are going to use a micellar water. For the micellar water today, I have three options for you. First one is this Bioderma very famous micellar water. I have this huge bottle of half a liter and I'm quite like more than halfway through it, and I'm going to finish this off really soon. I already have a backup. So yes, first option is this one. Second one we have is this Garnier's micellar water. This is an oil infused one. You have to shake this and then use it. So it is like an oil based micellar water, and the previous one was not an oil based. So you can pick and choose any whichever you prefer and you like according to your skin type. Third one is this Garnier's without oil, like normal micellar water. This one is really very like similar to the Bioderma. So if you are low on your budget and you want to not spend extra from your pocket, then you can go for this one. Guys, today I'm thinking of using Bioderma. So I'm just going to take this little bit on my microfiber cloth again, on the clean side obviously, and very gently just like remove the makeup. Can you see how gently I do it with the microfiber? Like, you don't have to be harsh with any cloth or any your cotton pads. You really have to be soft, gentle. It's your skin after all, and you don't want to ruin it. This one was when I did it with the cream, and this side is when I did with the micellar water. That means most of our makeup was removed with the cream and very little from the micellar water, and by this time our face is almost like pretty clean. Like, you can leave it like this, but I will not recommend that, and I will just recommend you to go and use a face wash. Guys, for the face wash today, I'll be using my Himalayas Holy Grail face wash. This is the Himalayas Neem Purifying Face Wash. I've been using this from 5 to 6 years straight. I'm not even kidding, and I'm using it straight. I'm just going to take it a little bit and going to lather it, massage my face gently. You really have to be gentle with this again. Massage it like here and here. You have to do this process for like 40 to 60 seconds, I would say, and go to all the places which you think your makeup remover cannot reach. Very little water because I forgot to take water with me. So yeah, now I'm just going to massage it really nicely. Once I'm done massaging my face, I'm quickly going to go and wash off my face and be back. I just, spilled some water, cleaned my face thoroughly, and I'm back. I'm going to show you that my face is clean, like it's super clean. I'm just going to take this cotton pad because it's white and you'll be able to see more nicely that there is no trace of makeup whatsoever. So just going to pour some micellar water and very gently I'm going to rub my face with it. Can you see anything? There's nothing, like there's absolutely nothing. No trace of makeup, no mascara for that matter, like no mascara, and no lipstick. Literally nothing. This is how I clean my face thoroughly after a very heavy makeup, or just in general, like if I want to clean my face with the makeup and all the dirt and grime for them. Now sometimes, like weekly basis mein kabhi kabar ek baar ya do baar, I also do masking in this step. Like after cleaning my face with the face wash, I go with a mask, like a mud based or clay based face mask, which really helps my oily skin to just oil free and really nice and supple. Finishing step, I'm just going to do some of my skincare. I'm just going to apply a moisturizer maybe. If not anything, I will highly recommend you to use a moisturizer, because you don't know what a moisturizer makes a difference to your skin. I was someone who used to think that अरे मेरी तो oily skin है यार, मुझे moisturizer की क्या ज़रूरत है. But once I started using it, I can tell you the difference in my like how my skin feels altogether, the suppleness, the softness, the texture and everything. Like it really feels super nice, super great, soft and supple. So I will highly suggest you to use a moisturizer because it does save your skin barrier. सो गाइज दिस वॉज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप आप लोग ये ट्राई करो. अगर आपने आज तक ये वाला मेथड ट्राई नहीं किया है देन प्लीज करो. आई स्वेयर दिस डज मेक अ डिफरेंस टू योर स्किन टेक्सचर, योर स्किन बैरियर एंड ऑल्सो द क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस इंटायरली. सो येस, प्लीज डू ट्राई इट इफ यू हैवेंट ऑलरेडी. ऑल्सो अगर आप लोगों को फैशन स्टफ पसंद है, सो येस, गो एंड फॉलो me there. Also, I will do any kind of video you guys want me to related to beauty, fashion, makeup, lifestyle, or maybe some fun challenges. Like, I'm really up for doing challenges if you want me to do. Also, one such is coming really soon. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Hit like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.